everyone, welcome to Maven Knowledge. This is the fourth chapter on verb, and in this video I'm going to talk about will and would. So in my previous videos as well, I've already discussed that verbs are words which expresses an action that can be both physical as well as mental. And physical actions are those actions which involves your body parts like playing, walking, running. Mental actions involves your mind, your brain, in like thinking, wanting, wishing, deciding. Linking verbs are those verbs which does not express any action, but they explain any situation. And the examples are is, am, are, was, were, be, been, and etc. Helping verbs are can, could, was, had, etc. I have made a separate video on all types of verbs, so you can refer to those videos. And now we'll talk about modal verbs. So modal verbs are part of auxiliary verbs, and in any of the sentences they support the main verb. The main difference is that it refers to ability, permission, possibility, obligation, and expectation. So these are the modal verbs, and I have made a separate video on can and could and other types of modal verbs, so you can refer to those videos. Now let's talk about will and would. So where to use will? So will, it is used in sentences that have to do with future. Example, I will reach there by midnight. Then it's also used in case of requests, requesting someone to do something or asking about any future events. Will you give me that book? Okay, so future request, requesting for future events. Then third one is in case of promises, predictions, and offers. I will always be your best friend. Okay, don't go there, he will beat you. I will assist you in completing your project. So will is used in case of future tense, in case of requesting something, in case of making any promises, predictions, and offers. Would is the past tense of will. I thought he would meet us. She believed her mother would trust us. The second one is polite requests. I would like to have more wine. So will is also used for asking for or requesting anything, but would is more polite, more formal. And the third one is it's also used in case of conditional sentences. So when we talk about conditional sentences, what does it mean? It refers to what happens or will happen or would have happened if we do or will do something. These are conditional sentences. If I were you, I would book a taxi at the station. So it's conditional. There is some condition involved in this sentence. Then would is also used to offer something. Would you like some cheese? So will is also used in case of in case you're offering something, but would is more formal or polite. Preference. It's very hot outside. I would rather read a book than going out. So in case of preferences. Wish. I would like to travel across the world. Past habits. When I was young, I would play guitar very well. Now let's look at the difference between will and would to make it more simpler. Will is used in case of informal request and would is used for more formal and polite request. Will you give me that book? Would you give me that book? Then will is used to offer something, but it's used only in context of present or future tense, present or future activities. Would is used in case of past. I will give you that book. Okay, so that refers to present. I will give you that book. So that refers to present or future. And would refers to past actions only. I would have given you that book. So I would have given you that book. Then third is conditional mood. So will is also used in case of conditional mood, but only in context of present actions. And would is used in case of past. If he greets us, we will be very happy. And in case of would, if he had greeted us, we would have been very happy. Then Next one is will is used in case of future activities. He will come tomorrow. Would is also in case of future activities, but any future activities that has already taken place in the past. So he said he would come. He said he would come. So that is the difference. Will is more informal, would is more formal. Both are used in case of conditional sentences or offering help or requesting, but would is used in case of past actions, will is used in case of present or future actions, and it's more polite, it's more formal, will is more informal. So that is the main difference between these two, will and would. And see you in my next video.